So the question says, how many milliliters is 0.725 liters? So what it's really asking us is to convert 0.725 liters to milliliters, sorry. There's two L's there. All right, so let's kind of remember a couple of things. So 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So what we're going to do is multiply liters by 1,000 to get milliliters. So we kind of set up our problem. 0.725 liters times 1,000 milliliters per liter. The liters cancel out, and so we get 725 milliliters. And that is our final answer.